Your essentials kit. Can we go through that? Because if people don't have it, they got to get to it.
You have a motorcycle mount, and let's say you get into the house and you're like, man, what do I do with my phone now? You get to the gym. What do you do with your phone now? You're on your piece of heavy equipment. You get in your car. You have to buy a different mount. You got to do this. You got to do that. These are the most used phone mounts that we have. So we put them all together in one kit.
And everything includes stickers. I love that.
So we call it the essential kit. You want a phone mount in your car? We got you. Here's your phone mount. This is called the Traveler. Everybody loves the pop socket. Here's your pop socket.
Most convenient thing I've ever had.
Home office. You want to be able to have your phone beside your desk, at your kitchen, bedroom. There's your mount. Identical to this. It comes in black steel, but when you get the essential kit, they all come in the black satin. This is the Nomad. It'll go from 0.5 to 2 inches, depending on the handlebars that you have. Make sure you know the measurement, because if you want something different, you can buy it separately, and we have one that'll go up to 5 inches for the UTV and the side-by-sides.
I haven't used that one yet. What's that?
This one I love. I like this one because I like to run, I've got a backhoe or a loader that I run on the weekend sometimes. Anything metal, you can stick it on. It's a double-faced magnet. So like you're in the gym, you're working on the truck, you're doing anything, you can stick this anywhere magnet. Toolbox, anything. Super strong. Stick it to whatever. It's also got the sphere that comes with it to where you can rotate your phone upside down.
So I can put it on my toolbox and watch my YouTube videos and pretend like I know what I'm doing on my car, and it's just right there.
Exactly.
Got it.
Exactly.
Don't miss my favorite part.
Oh yeah, that is my favorite, and this is what I talk to everyone about. It's going to be the Tether. Almost every one of our phone mounts come with a Tether. I strongly encourage to use a Tether. A lot of people at the rallies, they ask me, so what do you need a Tether for? Are you saying that your phone mount's going to fail? I like to tell people, I'm not saying my phone mount is going to fail, but I'm telling you every phone mount will fail if you're involved in a collision, if you're involved into something that you were not expecting, if something inconvenient happens to you. We're trying to save this investment to keep it on your motorcycle, to make sure it doesn't hit the ground, you don't lose it, you're able to have your phone to call for emergency services or whatever you need, and you're not on the road searching for your device.
Or if you're like me and you leave your phone everywhere, I keep it hooked to me at work and I walk around with it and I never lose it.
Let's say your wife, your spouse, whatever's on the back seat taking pictures, oh, the wind caught. You're still not going to lose your phone. Your phone's still going to be attached with the Tether. It comes with the alcohol and the 2 discs needed for whatever you want to be able to put your disc on, tablet, monitor, phones.
And you got some backup.
Oh yeah, this is in case like you don't want to stick this to your windshield of your car. Then you can put this on any surface. It's like a good flat surface. You've got 3M foam. You'll stick that to there, let it sit, I'd like to say for 24 hours before you ever stick the suction on there, because this suction is super, super strong. I used to drive a truck for a living, and I used this to put my ELD, to put my monitor, everything else on the windshield that I legally had to have. It sit over there and shook, but never fell.
That's awesome. And then for these parts that you put on your phone, you leave this on for 24 hours before you use it too, right?
Minimum of 24 hours. We like and suggest at least 72 hours before you utilize any of our phone mounts.
See, I was a little too excited. 72 hours is too long for me. I just wanted to use the thing. I do love that these move around. I was really sad when I first opened mine. I'm like, why is it facing that way? And I was like, oh my God, it moves. You guys, you heard it. Get yourself one if you don't have one.